In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect TradingView to an exchange or broker for a seamless trading experience. This is a fantastic way to manage your trades directly from TradingView's interface, allowing for a more streamlined and efficient process. The first thing you'll want to do is open a trading chart. Head over to the TradingView website, navigate to the Super Chart section, and open up any trading chart you're interested in using. Once your chart is open, you'll find the trading panel at the bottom of the screen. This is your go-to section for connecting to brokerage accounts. Go ahead and click on it. When you do, a list of supported brokers and exchanges should appear. Browse through this list and click on the logo or name of the broker or exchange that you wish to connect with. This choice largely depends on your personal preference and the services your broker offers. Next, you will need to initiate the connection. Simply click the Connect button associated with your chosen broker. This action will prompt you to either log into your broker's platform or enter your API keys. If you're asked for API keys, you'll need to generate these from your broker's or exchange's platform. Be sure to grant the necessary read and write permissions when creating these keys. This is vital because it determines what actions can be taken directly from TradingView in relation to your account. After you've entered your credentials or authenticated via the API, TradingView will confirm the connection. It's at this point that you might notice your account balance and the available trading pairs displayed on the screen, giving you a good sense of your starting point for trading. It's important to keep a few considerations in mind as you navigate this process. When generating API keys, prioritize security. For an added layer of protection, apply precautions like IP restrictions to ensure that these keys can only be accessed from authorized locations. Another thing to note is that while TradingView has direct integrations with many popular brokers and exchanges, not all of them support direct trading through TradingView. Some might only allow you to perform charting and set alerts, so confirm the capabilities of your chosen broker or exchange beforehand. Finally, be aware of market specifics. For example, if you're interested in trading stocks, you might need to switch the market type to view and select the appropriate exchanges within TradingView's screeners. This is particularly helpful for ensuring you're trading in the right areas. With these steps and tips, connecting your TradingView to an exchange or broker should be a straightforward and secure process, enhancing your trading efficiency all from one robust platform. Enjoy exploring all the trading possibilities this integration brings.